Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go something went wrong. To know how to fix or how to solve Monopoly Go something went wrong, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about this window of Monopoly Go. Then in this list of app and for you will enter to first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache. And in the end you can go to Play Store, you will search about Monopoly Go. You can click here update if you will find it in this blue sign to update your Monopoly Go app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.